Swadee Cup, and welcome to the Muay Thai training course 1.0. Now, we're going to start off with our Muay Thai warm-up. So you know, this is going to be a 10-minute warm-up. And now we're going to go ahead and get our head and our neck loose here. So put your hands on your hips. We're going to turn to our left first. So jaw to shoulder, and then to the other side. And then to our right, left, right. Now we're going to do head rotations, and just like that in a circle. Stop and go reverse. One whole rotation, stop and then go back again. And then reverse. And reverse. And reverse. Yeah, just get that loose. And reverse. There you go. Okay. Now we're going to do our bent arms crisscross. Now, a lot of people are used to the arms crisscross, but right here I want your arms bent. So go ahead and get your hands in the fist. And pretty much just making sure that your elbows are prominent. Okay, and now here are our halves and full sides. We go halfway and then we go full. So as you can see here, half and then full, okay? So your hands are one above the other, elbows out, half, full, half, full. And when you're doing this, make sure that you are pivoting on the ball of your foot. So when you go half, it goes up, and then full rotation. Half, and then full rotation. This also engages your hips, so your hips can turn as well. This is very important for beginners, and it'll get you ready to go for your round kicks. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the 3 count lower back extensions. Very important here. Let's go ahead and start here. We're going to go ahead and reach down, legs apart, in front of you, and then towards the rear, and then push on your rear itself. Down, just like that. Down, back, push. Down, back, push. Down, back, push. And you don't want to push too far. We're not trying to give your back any kind of pain. We're just pushing your hips forward, okay? Nice stretch. It's a nice inner stretch there. Okay. Now we're gonna do our side bends. And, you know, just take your time with this. We're not trying to do anything dramatic. Just getting your sides to open up a little bit. All right, and now we're gonna do our warrior pose. Start on your left first, and then your right. And just find that balance. If you have to put your hand on your knee, go for it. Just when you're alternating, just make sure one hand's on your thigh and one's on your hip. Okay. And now here, also important is our knees. I want you to cuff your knees, and you're gonna slightly bend your knees. Not like you're gonna sit down all the way. We call these knee bends. And we're just going to just spring a little bit. You know, just rock a little bit. We're not sitting down too far. We're cuffing our knees. You can apply pressure towards your knees as you're doing this. Your upper body weight, that's what I'm saying. And now we're gonna do our knee circles, just like that. And we're flat foot here, and just rotate, and then reverse, and rotate the opposite direction. Just like that. Good, good. All right, and now sumo pose. This is actually one of my favorite poses to do, or stretches. And on our first one, we just want to get familiar with it. Your legs are spread and you're bending at the knees, your upper body is allowing pressure to go down towards the middle of your crotch, and we're just letting it, gravity take its course, pretty much here. And we're gonna do it a couple more times. On your third time, kind of push a little bit. We're not trying to be dramatic here. And then one more time, really sit into it, okay? There it is. You can feel that stretch, and up. Okay, wrists and ankle rotations. So pretty much we're gonna be doing 3 in one time. 3 at one time. And just go up to your toes and try to rotate your foot around to warm up your ankles. At the same time, you're just rolling your wrists. There you go, nothing too hard. Now we're gonna march. And when you're marching, make sure that your left leg is always in front and your right leg is your rear leg, so it's towards the back. And go ahead and get used to putting your hands up in a fist kind of position. You can have your hands open too, and your elbows out a little bit. Okay, just like that. We're just marching. And now we're gonna do leg checks. Let me go ahead and explain this to you. So pretty much you're balancing on one leg while you raise the other leg up. And you have your foot bent. That way you're ready for a check. You're also placing one hand in front of you for balance, but it also helps so your opponent can see what you're doing. You block their vision. Let's do this. Left, right, 1. Left, right, 2. Left, right, 3. And left. Good. Right, 4. And left. Great. Now we're going to do inside leg checks. And here we're just checking across your body. There you go. And you keep your guard up. Your hands are in a fist and they're up against your forehead. And you're just checking. Good. So now the next thing we're going to do is leg raises. These are pretty fun. And now as you can see here, I want you to guard up on one side of your head, just like that. Okay, keep your elbow in. Now I want to stick my arm out, okay? Not to the side, not to the front, but at a 45-degree angle. And you're gonna hop and try to kick that leg up and touch that hand. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good, good. Now we're going to switch to the other side. Guard up on the other side, elbow in. Remember your arm's not out to the side or in the front. It's at an angle, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I threw one extra in there for you. Now march, march, and just breathe, march. Still marching, and we're about to do knees. We're gonna start with our right knee, and then we'll do our left and count it as 1. So right, left, 2, right, left, 3, right, left, 4, right, left, 5, right, left, 6, right, and left, 7. So here I want you to continue doing your knees. Just so you know, if you are kind of having an issue with this, just make sure that whenever you do knee, that leg from the rear goes upwards. So rear and up. Next leg rear and then up. As you can see, I'm alternating. You'll get it, you'll get it. Okay, and then just march. Let the blood flow, just calm down. Breathe through your nose and out your mouth. And now we're ready to begin our course.